Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 180. And if we start with this box, we're only missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. No help here. 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row now, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. And that 2 makes this our 8, 2, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.